How to find square root of 400 by division method. Let me first make pair from hand side to left hand side. So this is first pair and this is second pair. In second pair we have just one digit, right, which is 4. Now you have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 4 or nearest to 4. If you place here 2, then 2 square means 4, so our gauging number 2 is correct. You have placed here 2 in the divisor, so these 2 must come to the quotient also. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 4 times 4 goes 4, out of 4 is 0. Okay, bring down the next pair. 0 0 0 means 0 actually. Now you have placed here 2, these 2 must come under the divisor. Now add 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, now place here a number, and if you multiply, and the result will be equal to 0 or less than 0. Look, if you place here 0, right? If you place here 0, then what will happen? 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 0, 0. Okay, actually triple 0 means 0, double 0 means 0. So 0 times 40 equal to 0. Now subtract, you are getting 0. Okay, as our remainder is 0 and there is no pair more, so we can say that 20 is our answer. To check, look, you have placed here 0, so the same digit will come under divisor. So 40 plus 0, 40. Look, the double of 20 is 40, so our process is correct. So the square root of 400 is 20. This is the correct answer.